Visible hotspot not working. It's often due to tethering limits, APN settings, or device issues. Visible offers unlimited data, but hotspot speeds are deprioritized after 15 gigabytes, significantly slowing down to 128 kbps during congestion. If you're experiencing problems, first check if you've exceeded this limit. Visible's Visible Plus Unlimited plan offers an add-on to test Priority Hotspot, which guarantees speeds up to 100 Mbps. Keep an eye on Visible's website for official release by Q1 2026. If you're below the tethering limit, incorrect APN settings are often the cause. Visible's default APN is VZ Winternet. Make sure your device settings match this, with APN type set to default, done for tethering. For device-related issues, start with updating to the latest operating system, such as Android 15 or iOS 18. For device-related issues, start with updating to the latest operating system, such as Android 15 or iOS 18. Then restart your device, toggle airplane mode on and off, and reset network settings. Visible's app now includes built-in AI diagnostics to help troubleshoot issues. For persistent problems, verify your device is compatible with Visible's network, as some older or non-Verizon devices may have compatibility issues.